Good morning, good morning. It's been a while since we've had a bimble, so we decided to go to Shill Moor today. We parked up at Linhope. Nice little bit of weather, bit of frost in the ground, nice and cool, bit of sunny skies, blue skies, which is always brilliant. And we're at Alan Moor. That's the Alan Moor Ham, I think it is, one of them, something like that. And then we're going to take a little jolly up the sides of the hill. Enjoy the journey.
Been up all night, staring at you, wondering what's on your mind. And I've been this way with so many before, but this feels like the first time. You want the sunrise to go back to bed, but I want to make you laugh. Mess up my bed with me. Kick off the covers, I'm waiting. Every word you say, I think I should write down. Don't wanna forget come daylight.
Straight down the front actually on a couple of the walks I saw, they were a lot shorter. But they did traverse down
happy to know you. Play me a song, your newest one. Please leave your taste on my tongue. Paperweight on my back, cover me like a blanket.
Morning! On the way up the Cheviot Hills up to Shill Moor. Gorgeous day, blue skies all around, just a little bit nip in the air. Perfect for a walk. We've got over here Cunyon Crags, Dunmore, coming round to Hedgehope, and then I think that little one there might be Ritto, and then hopefully somewhere up the trail where Andrew's heading there we'll find Shill Moor. So I'll see you at the top or on the way.
Well, I wasn't expecting this in December. 17th of December. I'm in a t-shirt, sweating like mad. And even Helen's gone down to a long sleeve top with no gloves on and no hat on. That's just absolutely amazing. I never would have believed it. And it's really, really nice. Not bad at all. If only every day could be like this.
Mess up my bed with me. Kick off the covers, I'm waiting. Every word you say, I think I should write down. Don't wanna forget come daylight. I don't need to worry, that's wasting time. I don't need to wonder what's been on my mind. It's you. It's you, it's you. Every word you say, I think I should write down. Don't wanna forget come daylight. And I give up, I'll let you win.
Yes, doing your shoe.
You win, 'cause I'm not counting.
Yeah.
You made it back, sleep again. Wonder what you're dreaming.
You ready? Bend the legs, not the knees. Not the back. JP, you can get through yourself. Go on then. Ah. Ooh.
It doesn't bode well for me, my legs are shorter.
I got caught with my wallet. Oh.
I've never heard it call that before.
Come on then.
Can't get my leg over.
Well done you. So as I said, shall I go straight across that? Yeah, a little bit. It was high, there was less of it up further up. Let's go straight down the fence now, hun. No, two old fogies going down a hill that's 45-degree angles.
On a wet day.
Could be worse, it could be icy. Oh, it is icy. Well, that's a really interesting descent. We thought we'd take a shortcut down the hill, follow the fence line, and I think it's about 45 degrees all the way down. We spent some time traversing across and traversing back and going straight down and having little battles with Heather and
falling down.
But keeps you young. I wouldn't mind. We miss the sun. It's the other side of the valley. It is. See around there, it looks really good. And Jess has actually made it back down to the road. Little bugger. Well, see you on the way.